Raymond, slow down, Raymond. Raymond does things fast. Raymond brush her teeth fast. Raymond eat breakfast fast. Slow down, Raymond. Chew your food, said Mama say. Raymond, slow down, but not for long. Raymond drank it fast. Raymond drank it fast. Raymond against Mommy fast. Raymond runs school fast. Slow down, Raymond. Look both ways, said Polite Man say. Raymond, slow down, but not for long. Raymond read fast. Raymond count fast. Raymond draw picture fast. Slow down, Raymond. There's no rush, said teacher say. Raymond, slow down, but not for long. Raymond run home fast. Raymond eat dinner fast. Raymond brush her teeth fast. Raymond, slow down, Raymond. Time for bed, said Papa. Say.
And fall
fast asleep. Raymond and Rosie. Raymond sees the new girl next door. He wants a friend.
making friends.
Making friends takes time, said Mama say. But Raymond cannot wait. Raymond, I'm Raymond. The girl went inside.
Raymond
walks home.
Making
friends takes time, said Papa say. But Raymond cannot wait. Raymond goes to the cookie yard. He runs
next door.
He runs next door. Raymond gives the girl a cookie, and he smiles with cookie in her teeth. Raymond and Flossie become fast friends. Next day, Raymond goes to the
new Snickers.
Raymond goes to the.
Raymond likes to run. He's going to be
a big race. He runs in the house, in the lawn, at the park.
He runs so much.
He runs so much, and he
wears Snickers out.
He wears Snickers out.
Mama buy
takes the white shoes Raymond.
Mama buy Raymond brand new Snickers for a big race. They are white,
ugly sheep. Raymond walks slowly in the house, in the door, in the park.
The race is starting.
Ready?
Raymond looks at
the
dusty track.
Go!
Run.
Run, Raymond, run. While he shouts. But
Raymond runs.
Raymond runs.
His Snickers.
His Snicker is dirty. But he went away.
Good.